The the coalition forces are supporting the SDF in their efforts to contain the breakout and and recapture any remaining elements that escaped from the prison. The SDF has done a tremendous job in containing after the event and recapturing several hundred and continue eliminating threats to the local area, and they'll continue to chase down those that are remaining and put them back where they belong in prison. I think the distance and the capability of the Iraqi border guards and the Peshmerga and the Iraqi army, there's enough security enterprise to prevent any threat from them crossing over into Iraq. I do not know their depth of their request, and I can't answer that question right now. One of our biggest efforts right now with the coalition is supporting the establishment of the joint brigades. We have very good progress so far, and we look forward to that being finalized and those brigades being trained and deployed along the KCL. The coalition, and especially the United States, have continually shown their support for the Peshmerga. I'm confident that you'll see that continued support. We have a fantastic plan in collaboration with the MOPA, and I do not see any break in support at all. I always see is forward progress and continued improvement of capabilities of the Peshmergas. Obviously, that's the desire of the coalition to see a robust and under one MOPA, the formations. That would be that unity of command, unity of effort, and I think that is the goal, and we're doing everything we can to support all the Peshmerga reform efforts.